Hello guys, welcome back again to Dark Graphics, and today we are going to create this amazing salad poster by using Adobe Photoshop. And if you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and let's keep on creating. So without wasting time, I'm just gonna create a new document, and I'm gonna give it 18 by 22.5, that's inches. I'm gonna keep the resolution as low as possible, that's 72, and the color mode I'm gonna keep it RGB for now. And actually this profile is nice for social medias such as Instagram, so I'm just gonna click create. So here we have our document. Now I'm just gonna add a new solid color, and I'm gonna give it this fading white color, and I'm just gonna come to the asset.psd. I have this file linked in the description below so that you can download if you want to follow along. So I'm just gonna grab this shape and take it to my document, and I'm just gonna scale this. I'm gonna scale this up till it's covered. Nice, that's looking okay. And I'm just gonna create a new solid, and I'm gonna give it this dark grayish color. So I'm gonna right click and create a clipping mask. We have something like this, and I'm just gonna make it a little darker. Okay, that's looking nice. I'm gonna add a new solid color, and I'm gonna keep it more dark. That's looking okay. Yeah, that's looking fine. Okay, I'm going to the mask and taking a brush and make sure that the foreground is black, and I'm just gonna erase this part, make the opacity 100, and I'm just gonna, that's looking nice. And we're gonna select this solid color, and I'm going to filters and noise. I'm going to add some noise, convert this to smart object, and we're just gonna add a little noise. That's okay. And now we have this texture. I'm just gonna double click, and I'm just gonna take my brush and make this fading. So I'm gonna reduce the opacity to 16, 17, looks nice. And I'm just gonna paint back, make sure it's white. I'm just gonna paint it back right here. Yeah, that's looking nice. And I'm gonna press Ctrl and S to save this, so that if I come back here, it's updating. Yeah, we have something like this. I think it's too much at the middle here, so I'm just gonna X and Ctrl S. Our background is ready, and we are ready to go. So once we have this, I'm just gonna select all of this and drop it to this folder down here, and I'm gonna name this as background. Yeah, that's looking okay. Now I'm just gonna come back to my asset. I'm gonna grab the plate. I'm gonna take it, drop it like here. I'm just gonna reduce the size of this. That's looking nice. That's looking nice. And I'm going to take this shape leg, the stroke. I'm gonna drop it like here, and we're going to rotate this as so. That's looking nice. Take it below the plate and just scale it down. Hold shift and scale it down, just scale it way down. And that's looking nice to me. That's perfect. Now we're gonna add a new solid just above the stroke layer, and I'm just going to take this color code that I have. I'm gonna paste it down here. I'm gonna right click and create a creeping mask so that we have this nice greenish stroke. I'm just gonna adjust this. That's looking nice. And now I'm gonna select all of this and drop them down to the folder, and I'm gonna name this as image. Make sure that you keep all your layers clean so that you can easily organize everything that is in here. So I'm just gonna take my image and I'm gonna take this image and drop it right here. That's looking nice. Okay, we got our image set up, we got our background really nice, and now I'm gonna set the margins. So I'm just gonna grab some rulers. If you can't see rulers, just go to Windows and rulers. Where are rulers? And just find them in here and make sure that it's all checked up, or you can click Ctrl and R to activate and deactivate the ruler. So I'm just gonna grab one ruler right here to 100 centimeter from the left, so 100 from the right, and 50 from the top, and 50 from the bottom. Since you got that all set up, I'm just gonna take my typing tool and I'm gonna type here fresh. I'm just gonna type here fresh. We're gonna change the font to, I really like this font, Montserrat. I'm gonna keep it black italic, and the color I'm gonna set it to this nice color. That's looking nice. I'm gonna scale it down. That's perfect. And I'm also going to take the type tool and I'm gonna type salad. That's cool. I'm gonna change the font to another. Like, all this you can download them at this website called thefont.com. Just gonna align this well and nice. Just gonna align this. That's looking nice. Okay, I'm gonna change this color to I'm gonna change this color to salad to this green. That's looking nice. I'm gonna select all the title and I'm gonna drop them to the folder. I'm gonna name this main title. I'm just gonna scale it down. I'm gonna select with both the background and the main title, and I'm gonna align them at the center as so. It looks small. Let me just scale it as so. That's looking nice. And I'll take this leaf, bring it to comp. I'm gonna scale this down. gonna put it right here. And you're gonna take it into the main title, but I want it to be behind everything, so just zoom in so that you can see everything like here perfectly. That's looking nice. Okay, I'm going to select this leaf. Where is it? I'm gonna press Ctrl and C to copy. Then I'm gonna close this group. I'm gonna press Ctrl and V to paste. I'm just gonna take it down. I'm gonna rotate this. Okay, I'm holding Alt on my keyboard and just drag. You make a copy. Just gonna rotate this. Alt. Once done, check. Hold Alt. Drag. Rotate. You can even scale this down. Hold Alt, drag, rotate. I'm gonna duplicate more, so I'm just gonna hold Alt, drag, Alt, drag, scale. Okay, that's looking nice. So I'm just gonna select all of this. I'm gonna group them and I'm gonna name this as leaves. That's done. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to add some text light here. So I'm just gonna zoom in. I'm gonna take my typing tool and I'm just gonna add a text right here. Okay, once my text is already done, I'm just gonna change this color to this green color, and I'm just gonna add a text box right here. This is the description. I'm just gonna change the font to bold. Just gonna reduce the font size. Well, that's looking nice. Now we're just gonna add we're gonna come back to our asset, and I'm gonna grab this arrow. I'm gonna grab this arrow and I'm just gonna drop it right here, and I'm going to transform horizontally, and I'll transform vertically, so it looks something like this. I'm gonna scale this down and just gonna put it right here, like so. Well, that's looking nice, and we're gonna add our social media right here. So I'm just gonna grab the social media icons and I'm just gonna drag and drop them. Oops, make sure that you grab the like group. So I'm gonna copy, I'm just gonna drag them right here. I'm gonna scale that down. And make sure that you select this and group them, and let's name it description. Now about our social media, it has already have its own creeping mask color, so we're just gonna change this to green. It will look nice, yeah. And I'm just gonna take it down for now, and I'm gonna add my another text like here. So I'm gonna type here free delivery. I'm gonna set the color to that black color, and I'm gonna set it to black. Just scale this out. That's looking nice, but it's too much, so I'm just gonna do the font size to 40. I'm gonna give a font size of 40. That's looking nice. I'm gonna align it. So I'm gonna take the text tool and I'm just gonna type some backslash right here. So I'm just holding the backslash in my keyboard. I have something like that. So I'm gonna increase the font size. That's looking nice. I'm gonna position it like here, and I'm just gonna select a part of it and give it a color of this green. That's looking nice. Now I'm just gonna arrange the social media icon, but I'm gonna move this part really fast so that you do not have to wait. So hey guys, I'm done with the social media icons, and this is actually the final poster that we have. So well, it's looking nice, and everything is well arranged, as you can see right here. Just hold these two and drag them in a group, and we're gonna name this as delivery text. So there you have it guys. So that's how you make a poster in Adobe Photoshop, and with everything well aligned and organized. So thank you guys for being with me from the beginning of this tutorial till the end. Make sure that you don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.